it's Miss Edwards.
And Mr. Brinkman.
We want to talk to you today about synergizing.
Habit number 6.
This is an awesome habit and one of the ones that Mr. Brinkman and I use every single week. We all the time have to synergize with each other to come up with school events or organize how we're going to do our work here at MP3.
So how does habit 6 apply to you? Whether you're in a breakout room, you're on a sports team, you're working together with your parents, your brothers, your sisters, your cousins, aunts, and uncles, all those things can be related to habit 6.
Oftentimes, I'll have one idea, Mr. Brinkman has another idea, but it would never be a great idea unless we work together. Oftentimes what happens is his idea plus my idea, we end up coming up with something even greater than what we would have to do on our own.
Can you think of a time that you had to synergize with someone from home, some friends or team members for the greater good?
All right, if you have, add a comment below. We'll see you later.
Bye.